Everybody should have some dreams, whether they can achieve the whole or half in their lifetime. They should have a dream.
His Eminence Venerable Dobum Tulku was born in the Kham region of Tibet in 1941 and recognized as the reincarnation of the previous Dobum Tulku at the age of 2 by Phurchog Jampa Rinpoche. At the age of 12, he joined Drepung Monastery in central Tibet and studied Buddhist philosophy. He came to India in 1959 and lived in a monastic camp in West Bengal to continue his studies. At the Central Institute of Higher Tibetan Studies, then under the auspices of Sanskrit University, Varanasi, he studied Buddhist philosophy and received Geshe Acharya degree in 1972. He was awarded an honorary doctorate degree in Buddhist studies by the Maha Chulalongkorn Buddhist University of Bangkok in 1999. From 1972 until March 2011, he worked in various academic, cultural, and administrative institutions of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. He pursued a Millennium Project of World Festival of Sacred Music, which became a worldwide event with festivals at over a dozen venues in different continents during his tenure as director of Tibet House Delhi.
Sacred, you see, I think this movement or this kind of work certainly, I think, create an opportunity. As more people come together, not only religious as a person, but also the artist from this different sort of field. That also, I think, is very, very useful because through artistic way, there's certain messages you can reach like a large community, a large number of the people.
Here we have persons belonging to different religions, creeds, language, and ethnic groups joined together in pursuit of peace and harmony, meeting and mixing with each other as members of a global family. Never in the annals of India have we had a gathering of such enlightened souls as we have here today.
This festival is not for promotion of Tibetan interest or Tibetan affairs. It is also not aimed for the promotion of Buddhism as such. It's His Holiness's idea of universal responsibility, well-being of whole universe.
To contribute to human unity, which is the Dalai Lama's dream for this century. His Eminence Venerable Dobum Tulku was engaged in interreligious and cross-cultural activities through art and culture. As the founder managing trustee of World Buddhist Culture Trust until his parinirvana on January 29, 2024. He was author, editor, compiler of books both in English and Tibetan, and co-authored several academic works.